Good day viewers, welcome to Vayo's Kitchen channel. Today I'm going to be making yummy sponge cake, and here is my recipe. Read down and you will understand. If possible, get your paper and your biro and copy it down before practicing. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not. In my mixing bowl I have unsalted butter 200 grams and normal margarine 300 grams and then sugar 350 grams. I've already creamed them together. I have my flour 500 grams. I have my egg 500 grams. I have my vanilla and milk flavor 1 teaspoon each, making a total of 2 teaspoons. I have my baking powder 4 teaspoons, a cup of milk, and the milk I've used here is the packet milk, which is normally known as Hollandia milk. Now, the reason why I said the egg has to be 500 grams is because you just have to weigh your egg for this very recipe. Some eggs are bigger and some eggs are smaller. Sometimes you buy 10 eggs and it will give you 500, where the eggs are weighing 50 grams, while sometimes you buy 10 eggs, it gives you more than 500. But for this particular recipe, you must weigh your egg to get 500 grams. That's why I'm not giving you the number of egg I am using. Now make sure you break your eggs, whip it, and then add it to your creamed mixture. While you are still mixing, make sure you don't whip too much. The egg should be just mix it in a way that the yolk and the white is completely well mixed, but don't allow it to foam or to lose its elasticity to get the best result of the cake. Next, you add your milk. I'm still scraping out the remaining of the eggs. But immediately after doing this, the next thing you're going to do now is to add your milk while it's still mixing. Now the milk I'm using here is Odemboga cream milk, the full cream milk. It's actually a very light milk that is needed for this recipe. Now, for the flavors, it is not compulsory you must use vanilla and exotic milk flavor. You can use only vanilla, you can use only exotic milk, you can use any flavor of your choice. The most important thing is the texture of the cake. Next, add your baking powder to the flour and mix together. And then for my flour, what I'm using is cake flour. Cake flour is a mixture of flour and corn flour. That is, for every 1 cup of flour, you remove 2 tablespoons and replace with 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Sieve together for 6 times and that gives you cake flour. Now, remove the bowl, the mixing bowl from mixer, and fold in the cake flour. Now, remember, don't overwork your flour when you are doing this. You can do it batch by batch. Added the first batch and I am folding in. And then finally I'm adding again to fold in. The next thing, before you are doing this, make sure your oven is being preheated and also your pans have been lined and prepared for the baking. Next, turn the batter into your prepared pan and bake. Bake until when you insert a skewer at the middle, it comes out clean. Then you know that your cake is ready. and this should take about 55 minutes to 1 hour depending on the temperature of your oven. I do not give timing because I know that ovens differs from others. Some ovens, their hotness, the heat they give is different from the heat some are giving. So because of this, I always advise you to monitor your cake. Lower your oven after you place your cake in a preheated oven. Lower it not to be lowest so that it will cook gradually. Now the cake is ready. So remove all the papers as you flip it over to the wire rack to get completely cool before using. Now this is our finished cake.